Let's be honest, most videos on passive income using AI are just recycling the same ideas over and over. Faceless YouTube channels, ebooks, and selling AI art on Etsy. You've heard it all before. But in 2025, there are still fresh, low-competition AI-powered ideas that barely anyone is using. If you're watching this, you're ahead of 99% of people who are still asking ChatGPT, "How can I make money online?" Let's dive into 13 underrated AI passive income ideas that you can start today, many of which require little to no upfront capital. 1. AI-powered email newsletters. AI is transforming newsletters into passive machines. Use ChatGPT to curate and write, and tools like Beehiiv or Substack to automate delivery. Niche down. Think, AI tips for Etsy sellers, or productivity hacks for remote dads. Add affiliate links or run sponsorships. With just 1 to 2 hours a week, this becomes a scalable, recurring income stream. 2. Digital product shops, auto-created with AI. ChatGPT plus Canva plus MidJourney equals your personal digital factory. Create printable planners, AI-generated journals, wedding templates, or budget trackers. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Beehiiv. Once set up, these products run 24/7, with no customer support needed if you keep it simple. 3. SEO niche blogs, 100% AI written. This isn't dead. It's just automated now. Use tools like Koala Writer or ChatGPT to create SEO-optimized blog content. Post on WordPress or Ghost. Pick a weird but monetizable niche: minimalist pet care, retirement RV hacks, or tiny home gardening. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or digital downloads, and grow it passively through search. 4. AI stock image packs. With MidJourney or Leonardo.ai, you can create high-quality stock image packs in bulk. Focus on untapped themes, diverse teams in startup settings, unusual holidays, rare cultural outfits, bundle and sell them on Gumroad or Creative Market, or license them on stock platforms. Create once, earn forever. 5. Weekly, idea drops, subscriptions. People are always looking for new content, product, and business ideas. Create a weekly idea drop using ChatGPT and sell it as a subscription. Themes like viral video ideas for coaches, Etsy product blueprints, newsletter subject lines for health brands, charge $5 minus 15 per month and deliver via email or Notion. Easy, scalable, and almost no overhead. 6. AI summarized book clubs. Summarize trending nonfiction books using ChatGPT and sell the summaries. You can bundle them into PDFs, Notion pages, or even audio summaries using ElevenLabs. Target entrepreneurs, students, or busy parents. Sell via Gumroad, run a Patreon, or turn it into a membership site. Set it. Forget it. Let AI do the heavy lifting. 7. Micro SaaS tool affiliate pages. AI tools are exploding, but most people don't know which to choose. Create comparison pages or top 5 AI tools for niche, mini sites using Framer or Card. Use ChatGPT to generate the content and insert affiliate links. It's simple SEO, but with long-term recurring commissions when people subscribe to tools like Jasper, Runway, or Durable. 8. AI templates for freelancers and creators. Use ChatGPT to create done-for-you content bundles. Instagram caption bank sales page outlines email sequences for coaches client onboarding templates. You'd be shocked how many people will buy well-organized Google Docs. Package and sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or through your own Shopify page. 9. AI course creation kits. Instead of selling your own course, sell course starter kits powered by ChatGPT. Example: full course kit for yoga instructors, includes outline, lesson scripts, emails, and worksheets. Sell these to coaches, educators, or creators who want to launch fast without starting from scratch. It's high perceived value, and completely passive once uploaded. 10. Auto-generated TikTok content packs. Use ChatGPT plus CapCut templates to generate ready-made TikTok content ideas, scripts, and video overlays. Then bundle them by niche, like fitness, parenting, finance, or pets, and sell them to creators who hate planning content. All digital. All auto-generated. You could even build a monthly drop model. 11. AI children's story generator subscriptions. Offer a subscription that delivers a new, personalized children's story each week, generated with ChatGPT and illustrated by MidJourney. Parents subscribe for $5 per month. You auto-send a PDF or animated storybook weekly with the child's name, favorite animal, or lesson, e.g., kindness, bravery. Massive emotional value, zero shipping cost, and fully automated once set up. 12. Voice AI. Rent My Voice service. Clone your own voice using ElevenLabs, then sell it as a service. You can license your voice to creators, podcasters, or YouTubers who need quick narration. Even better, sell access to custom voice packs like Sarcastic Narrator or Calm Meditation Voice. You record once. AI handles the rest. 13. AI data packs for niche creators. Use ChatGPT and web scraping tools to generate databases that creators want. Think 100 viral video hook examples for beauty creators, 200 affiliate programs for wellness bloggers, 365 content prompts for solopreneurs. Package them neatly and sell as spreadsheets or Notion pages. High value, no customer service, and you can build once, sell forever. Final thoughts. The real power of AI isn't just speed, it's scale. You don't need a team. You don't need a huge budget. Just a smart idea and a willingness to launch when everyone else is still thinking about it. Which one of these ideas caught your attention the most? Drop it in the comments, if you're ready to start now. And if you want me to turn any of these into a step-by-step tutorial or show you how to set up a passive funnel, let me know. More AI money ideas are dropping soon, so hit that subscribe button before you forget. Let's build smart, not hard.